Imagine waking up at noon, checking your phone, and seeing $3,000 in your bank account that simply appeared while you were sleeping. It sounds like a scam, doesn't it? A fantasy. But for a growing tribe of digital architects, this isn't luck. It is math. We have been lied to about what it means to work. You were told to trade your time for money. But what if I told you that time is the only thing you shouldn't be trading? Today, we are pulling back the curtain on the blueprint that is turning singular, lonely creators into digital factories. This is the story of how you stop being an employee of your own life and start being its CEO. Let us look at the gears. Cast your mind back to 2018. The era of the hustle. We were all obsessed with the grind. We were VAS, copywriters, and designers, drowning in emails. We were trading hours for dollars like it was the only way to exist. It was exhausting. It was unsustainable. You were a slave to the inbox. But then, something shifted. The tools changed. We moved from doing the work to building the system that does the work for us. We stopped being the hands, and we started being the architects. Have you ever seen a complex clockwork mechanism? Imagine every gear is an application. Your email, your payment processor, your note-taking app. In the past, these apps were islands. They did not talk to each other. But then came the no-code revolution. Suddenly, you could connect them with invisible threads. This is API stacking. You take a lead from a website, it goes into a database, the message is sent to a brain, and a response is fired back. All in milliseconds. You are not writing code. You are connecting flows. You are building a digital nervous system. Now, look at how we dominate the digital landscape. One video. One single thought. That is all you need. You feed it into the machine, and suddenly, it is everywhere. It is clipped into shorts. It is transcribed into blogs. It is posted to 5 platforms at once. You are not creating content anymore, you are creating an ecosystem. This is the secret to the $10,000 month. You are not working harder. You are working once and reaping the harvest 10 times over. It is pure, unadulterated leverage. But wait. There is a catch. A dark side nobody mentions. Systems break. APIs update. Software changes overnight. If you think this is passive, you are deluded. This is high-stakes maintenance. You are the mechanic of your own machine. When a gear slips, you have to be there to fix it. This is the hidden tax on your freedom. You don't get rich by walking away. You get rich by staying vigilant. The blueprint is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is a design-intensive labor of love. You spend 100 hours building a system to save 1,000 hours of manual misery. That is the trade. We have reached the end of the loop. We started with a dream of easy money, and we ended with the reality of complex architecture. Leverage has been democratized, but it demands a price. You must be the one who understands the gears. You must be the one who fixes the machine when it falters. The $10,000 month is not a reward for working hard. It is a reward for building the right architecture. The power is in your hands now. What will you build? Thanks for exploring this with me. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.